Hello, everyone. Welcome to Astronomy on Tap number 107. We are going to get started here really soon. And as always, we start with some astronomy trivia. So if you're interested in participating in astronomy trivia, please go get a trivia sheet and pencil from my wonderful assistant Barbara, who's in the middle of the tap room with a yellow stool. We'll get started in probably about 5 minutes. If you want to participate, please get a sheet and pencil. And if you win, there are even prizes. Unless you're an astronomer, in which case you can play for fun, but we won't give you prizes. And even if you don't know much about astronomy, it is still a fun time and you should totally participate. on data challenges related to the Rubin Observatory. And I'm going to say it now, and I'm going to say it a lot of times, just so no one is confused. We're going to try something over the summer, our summer astronomy on taps. So the next one will be on June 17th, but it will be at Stoop Ballard, not Capitol Hill. It will be in Ballard, because they have a really nice beer garden, and I figure we should be outside during the nice summer nights. So if you come here on June 17th, you will be confused. Remember to go to Ballard, the Stoop in Ballard, for the next one. All right, and without further ado, let us begin the trivia. First, just a quick reminder, if anyone is affiliated with the University of Washington and wants to help tutor incarcerated youth, you can scan this QR code, or if you're not affiliated and you want to help out, you can also donate and spread the word. And if you want this QR code and missed it, come back and talk to me later. All right, question 1. What is the approximate age of the universe? Is it A, 19.2 billion years, B, 13.8 billion years, C, 4.6 billion years, or D, 2.8 million years? I'll give you a hint. It's at least 1 million. And I'm also going to run through the trivia once, read it out loud, and then I'll run through it again a second time, just real fast. You can finalize your answers. I won't read it the second time, though. Question 2. Which method is not part of the cosmic distance ladder, which is used by astronomers to estimate distance and thus the expansion rate of the universe? Is this A, rotation curves of galaxies, B, stellar parallax, C, radar measurements of Venus, or D, type 1a supernovae? And again, this is which is not a part of the cosmic distance ladder. Question 3. How did Lord Kelvin derive his now famous, but also incorrect estimate of 20 to 400 million years for the Earth's age? Was it A, the radiometric dating of rocks, B, measuring the temperature gradient at the Earth's surface, C, computing the rate at which tidal friction from the moon slows the Earth's rotation, or D, using fossil records from different rock strata? Lord Kelvin is also, of course, who the Kelvin unit of measurement is named after. Question 4. Measurements by which spacecraft allowed for the first precise determination of the universe's age? Is it A, the Hubble Space Telescope, B, IRAS, C, WMAP, or D, the Kepler Space Telescope? Question 5. What is the redshift of the oldest known object in the universe? Is it a redshift of A, 8.2, B, 10.60, C, 14.44, or D, 1,089? Moving on to our next sub-theme of trivia questions. Question 6. Approximately how much data is the Rubin Observatory expected to produce over the next 10 years? Is it A, 500 petabytes, B, 900 terabytes, C, 10 terabytes, or D, 60 gigabytes? Question 7. What is the most commonly used file format for storing astronomical images? Is it A, TIFF, B, PNG, C, SVG, or D, FITS? Now, the Rubin Observatory will not use any of these file formats, but as of right now, what is the most commonly used? Question 8. Which object would not trigger an alert if detected by the Rubin Observatory? Is it B? Nope. A's first. Is it A, a comet, B, a variable star, C, a supernova, or D, emerging galaxy? Which would not trigger an alert if observed by the Rubin Observatory? Question 9. The Rubin Observatory's LINCC Frameworks project is a collaboration between UW and which other university? Is it A, the University of Arizona, B, Carnegie Mellon University, C, Princeton University, or D, Stanford University? And you'll hear about the LINCC Frameworks project at our second talk tonight. Stay tuned. Finally, question 10. What is another name for the method also known as shift and stack? Is it A, half-rate tracking, B, non-sidereal tracking, C, synthetic tracking, or D, fixed altitude tracking? This is a method that is used by Rubin Observatory scientists to find and identify asteroids. And fun fact, as I found out very recently, it is pronounced sidereal and not sidereal. All right, that is all 10 of our questions. And now I'm going to go back through them a bit faster. You already got to hear me read them once. You're not going to get to hear me read them again, but I'll still go through them pretty quick so you can finalize your answers. You'll get about 15 seconds per slide. Ah!